Hey, Walter, making a snow car? Did you give it a name? Frosty the Snowman? That's a cool name! Trying to make a snowman too, Krokomile? Maybe Walter can help. Oh no! You can't make snowmen that way! Krokomile, you've got to free Walter! Hey, Super Truck! A new challenge for Marley?
Ooh.
Wait! Cars need your help at the park! There's Krokomile! What is he up to? Watch out! Oh no! He's trying to freeze Amber and Carrie too! Let's secure the girls first! You need to transform! You need to get Carrie and Amber out of the way! Just like Lego. Oh, no! Walter is sliding too! Walter's block needs some adjustment. We need to find Krokomile first. Which way? Ice cubes. Let's go there. What is it, Marley? Krokomile is freezing the city power. Watch out! Thanks, Marley! You're not the only one who can break the ice. Be careful, Super Truck! You're safe now. You still have someone to help. Last one. Don't hurry. You have plenty of time for making snowmen.
Wow, look at Jerry go! Pretty impressive, eh, Walter? Whoa, whoa! Yikes, that was close! Uh-oh, looks like you guys need help. Let's get Super Truck on the case.
Hey!
Something is wrong with Jerry and Walter. They don't look well. Come quick! Here they are, Super Truck. Oh dear. It looks like we'll need a vehicle that can heal. Whoa! A super ambulance! Very cool! Why don't you use your light to check Jerry and Walter's eyes and throats? Open wide, Jerry. Not so good, eh?
말린다, 미추모.
What's wrong, Walter? Don't worry. Super Truck just wants to figure out how to make you feel better. Right, Super Truck? There you go. Now say ah. Same thing? Now what?
오. 까빠. 이리야토, 미추모.
Ah, medical masks. Great idea, Super Truck. That'll stop the germs from spreading around Car City.
말린다.
Uh-oh. They don't look so good, Super Truck. Oh no! They have fevers too? Looks like we'll need to use the ST-3000 for some extra help. Don't worry, guys. The super ambulance will make you feel all better soon. Ah, yes! On low power, the freeze ray will cool them off and bring down the fever. Genius! But maybe you should test it out first. Eve, that's a bit too cold. Definitely turn the power down, Super Truck. Much better. Okay, you ready? No need to be nervous. Super Truck will take good care of you. Wow, look at that! All right, Super Truck, you broke the fever. Uh-oh, Super Truck is right, guys. You'd better head home now and get some rest. Get well soon. Hey, looks like you're all better after that rest. And Walter sure is a fast learner. Looks like you saved the day again, Super Truck. Well done. Have fun, friends. See you later.
What a nice day for a drive, right, Super Truck? Wait, is that Jerry crying? What happened, pal? It looks like he lost his wheels somehow, Super Truck. Jerry is sad because he's a racing car. Without wheels, he can't race anymore. Don't worry, Jerry. Super Truck will help you get new tires. Of course! I'm sure you'll find some at Tom's garage. Tom will get you some great new tires, Jerry. But now, you have to find out what's going on, Super Truck. A police car transformation? Great idea, Super Truck! Beware, criminals! Car City's best detective is on the case! All right, Super Truck, let's unravel this mystery. Wow! Everybody is losing their wheels, Super Truck! But who could be behind this crazy mischief? Wow! What was that? Matilda is chasing evil Dr. Zig. What did he do this time? Good call, Super Truck. Matilda might need some help to arrest him. Super Truck, watch out! Phew, that was close. Of course, it was Dr. Zig who stole everybody's tires. Don't worry, Matilda. Super Truck will stop that thug. But you have to be careful, or Dr. Zig might steal your wheels too. A helicopter! Good idea, Super Truck! That's right, Zig. You can't steal Super Truck's wheels if he doesn't have any. Give up. There's nowhere you can hide. Good thinking, Super Truck. Block his way out. Man, he's really hard to get. I think that catching him is not going to be as easy as we thought. Do you have any idea on how to stop him? A grapple hook, of course. This is over, Dr. Zig. Boy, you're really hard to get. But your luck won't last forever. Scared, Dr. Zig? Don't worry, Super Truck will put you down soon. In jail. Wow, Super Truck! Those wheels look swell. Did Tom give them to you? I see. Everyone got some new cool tires. Well, maybe not everyone.
Hey! Oh!
Are you all right, Carl? Looks like somebody needs Super Truck. Hurry up! There was a massive storm last night in the city. A lot of trees have collapsed and blocked roads. Meanwhile, Billy and Edna are mixing cement, but they need water. Frank was going to deliver it, but now he can't because of a traffic jam. You need to quickly get that water to the construction site, Super Truck. Hey guys, Super Truck is here! I see the traffic is so bad that there is no way you can deliver water to the construction site on time. What are we going to do, Super Truck? What is it, Bobby? A water container? Great! You can give it to Super Truck and he'll deliver it to the site. But he'll still have to tackle the traffic. That's right, Super Truck. This is the time for a new transformation.
train. Okay, Super Truck, you're now ready to go. Thanks, Bobby. See you later, Frank. That's not going to work, Super Truck. These trees are too heavy. You're right. We need something to cut through these trees. A laser? Of course! This will cut those trees in no time. Whoa! This laser is so powerful! Like in Star Wars movies. Look out, Super Truck! This large tree is probably going to fall! That was close! You nearly got crushed by this tree! Okay, let's deliver the water to the construction site. Construction team, Super Truck is here with help. Quick, we need to add water. Yes, we did it! Wow, so that's what the cement mix was for? A giant bowling pin? Yes, Super Truck. I'm also wondering what the construction team is going to do with it. Whoa! That was the biggest bowling pin and the biggest bowling ball I've ever seen. See you next time, friends.
This ambulance seems to be in a hurry. Walter thinks the ambulance is Amber and wants to say hi. Someone needs to find out who the evil ambulance is and stop it. Super Truck is having a medical check. You're in great shape, Super Truck. Oh no! Matilda thinks Amber is the evil ambulance. She's putting her in jail. Matilda, Amber was with Super Truck all this time. You're arresting the wrong ambulance. Matilda is convinced that Amber bumped Walter. Don't worry, Amber. Super Truck will help Walter and prove your innocence. Time to transform. Super Ambulance is ready to stop the bad guy and help all those who need it. Let's give Walter the medical care he needs. A Band-Aid kit will do the work. Walter is feeling better. Walter, who did this to you? Walter can't remember now. He still needs some time to recover. What's wrong, Walter? Super Truck, we have an emergency. Billy seems to be in pain. He needs your help, Super Truck. Billy? What's wrong? Billy got bumped by an ambulance. Let's treat Billy first. The pill will stop the pain. The bandage will help you recover quicker. Let's stop the bad ambulance, Super Truck. Billy saw the ambulance heading towards the canal. What does Robot Amber do on the bridge, Super Truck? Robot Amber must be the evil ambulance. Oh no! The robot is planning to hurt Bobby! You have to warn him! Use your sirens, Super Truck! Bobby! Stop! Whew. That was close. Bobby is safe, Super Truck, but the robot is mad at you. Oh no! The robot is attacking you! Time to use the ST-3000! The tow rope will stop the bad robot. Nice move. Time to prove Amber's innocence. That's right. It was Amber's robot assistant. Walter remembers it now. You're free to go, Amber. And the robot is back to its kind state. Matilda is sorry for arresting you, Amber. There is an accident and cars need medical care.